Hello everyone, my name is Imtiyaz and today I will be presenting my project Shield Insurance Analysis. This pilot project is designed to provide a comprehensive analysis of Shield insurance performance across multiple dimensions. The main goal of this project is to analyze revenue growth, customer distributions, sales mode performance, age group behavior. The analysis is the focus on revenue performance, customer behavior, settlement patterns, and trend over time. We have three views. As a general view for overall revenue and the customer analysis, the second view is sales view for detailed insights on revenue and customer by sales modes. The third one is the age group analysis for understanding policy performance, settlements, and the sales by different age group. And we have this is the use for the home tab. This is a general view, this is a sales view, and this tab is for age group. The last is the support. Now it's come to general view. In the general view module, we focus on analyzing the overall performance of Shield Insurance. The KPI includes total customer to track the base to track customer base growth, and the total revenue is to measure the overall financial performance. The DRG means daily revenue growth, showing the revenue trends over time. DCG means daily customer growth, highlighting the how customer acquisition in the progress. The first one is we are splitting the revenue and customer by city and the age group. There is a city, age group, and total customer, total revenue. In that we are using the conditional formatting. The dark orange is highlighting the higher and the white is showing as the lower. If you see in that, the age group 31 to 40 is the higher in the Delhi NCR is a 436 and 128 millions, as in the lowest is Chennai and Indore 1824 2 millions. If C is 2,132,000. The second is the trend by month. If you use this is a toggle button. If you use revenue, it shows the revenue. Use the customer. In the month of the March 2023, the highest is the revenue, as the lowest is the November, as the April 20 is the lowest. If you use in the group, age group with total customer, total revenue, as you see in the last one is the age group of the 31 to 40 is the highest, and the lowest is the 18 to 24. If you see in the which city is the highest total customer, total revenue show is the Delhi NCR, and the last one is the sales module, customer with and revenue. If you see in that, we have the four modules: offline agents, online apps, offline direct, and online website. Offline agent means that the agent from the company is going to direct interact with the customer. It's offline. If you see in that, there is a highest in the offline agent because there is the consumer or as a customer who is more interact with the person to person. That's why the offline agent is the higher customers and higher revenue. If you see in that, the offline website, online website is there, means most of the customers not interact with the website. That's why it's the low in that. The third one is the sales view. In the sales view, we analyze the performance from the perspective of sales mode. This is a total customers is 26,840,000, total revenue 989.25 millions, DRG daily revenue growth 5.47 million, DCG daily customer growth 148.29. This is the trend analysis mode. We see in the blue line is the offline agent, where the lowest is the online websites. This is showing the trend, means in the March 2023 the highest revenue and highest customer, and the lowest is the and the total customer by sales mode. We are using the pie chart. In that This is the offline. For the customer and the revenue, both are the same. As the customer increases, the revenue also increases, vice versa. The last one is age group. We analyzing that this is the all KPIs. As in last slide we saw that total customer by age group. The age group of the 31 to 40 is the higher, lower is the 18 to 24 and the 65 plus. Trend chart by age group. As we seen from first to last, the highest is the age group is 31 to 40 is the more we are getting generating the revenue in the age group of 31 to 40, and the number of the customers also there higher in that age group of 31 to 40. If you see in the policy IDs, we are using the highlighting the policy which have the higher. If you see the age group of the 31 to 40 from first to on to last also, they are in the higher in 31 to 40 age. If we see in that some policies are, we see this is a policy which have the higher, and the least is we can get one conclusion from all that is the age group of the 31 to 40 is the generating the more revenue, means more customer out there. Expected settlement 65 above means 74.33 and the lower settlement is 18 to 24 age. As in sale mode, we compare the sales mode also, we are getting the highest in the 31 to 40 age group offline agent. With the help of the age group, we focusing on this is the turning point of the 31 to 40 age group. If you use the cities, Indore is the lowest, we saw in that, and the highest is the Delhi NCR. You have the different policy IDs. The last is the customer support. This page provides guidance how to use the filters and the cross filtering for creating dynamic report. Filter allow user to focus on specific data point, example category and values, help in the quick analysis without going through irrelevant data. As in cross filter, allowing filtering of a data in one visualization based on the selection in another. Second is the selecting data points, example category, product or date range, updates connecting visuals. From all that, conclusion is that the age group of the 31 to 40 generating more revenue and more customers. If you use the age group of the 31 to 40 generating more revenue compared to others, and the least revenue generating 18 to 24. It means from 18 to 24 age is the career growth age for all peoples. That's why they are not focusing on that insurance policy, whereas the 31 to 40 is the peak age of all members. Of that they have getting more revenue and more means they are well settled. That's why they are focusing in the insurance. If you see in the settlement performance is a 65 above, we should have to settle, means we should have to focus on the 65 plus. And if you want to get more gender, we have to focus on more on 18 to 24 also. That's all guys, thanks a lot.